Okay, the sale yesterday happened outrageously fast. So the 24 slots that we had disappeared right at 7 o'clock. I mean, there were probably 60 or 70 people that reached out on the dot. So we took the first 24 that appeared. I apologize that we can't make more of these, but we will do more batches in the future. And for those of you that are asking what the purpose of these man packs are, this is really just if you go hunting or you're in the field or you just want something to communicate with your family, these are solid little radios that you can throw in your vehicle and do so. If you're in the woods, your line of sight comms is basically what you should imagine. So as far as you can see is as far as you can transmit. Foliage does take an effect on radios. So something like 3 to 5 miles. If you are in an open terrain area, expect a lot better distance. I can hit a repeater 25 miles from where I work, and the biggest reason I can do that is because it's on a tower 160 feet in the air, or on the roof of a building rather. But I do pre-program them with GMRS, MERS, and a ton of national frequencies, and then stuff that's more local to the buyer's address. Once you get it, you don't really need to do anything. It's turn on, plug and play. It cannot do CB radios. This is not an HF radio. This is not a digital radio. This is just a straight stick, old school analog radio. You can still do packet data with it, but you would need to buy a digi-rig, and that's something for a different video. We are going to make more of these, hopefully by the end of the month. I have parts on order for those that have paid already. And I also have this stack of radios over here on the floor that are going to be built out, so that gives me something to do while parts arrive. What else? I appreciate you guys being understanding. We are going to increase the price of the bags because with all in all parts, additional things, spade connectors, stuff that you don't really think about. I went into this trying to, help out, and I am, but it's coming at a cost, like a very big cost to my family and I. So my wife and I are the only ones that are doing this, and it takes an immense amount of time between social media, communicating with each of you, shipping time, boxing time, testing, programming. We're talking like 2.5 hours per radio, and we're making about $60 per radio if we're lucky. Shipping on average is about $34 alone. So if you guys are really curious and you do the math on what all comes in this, you'll see real quick that I'm not making a whole lot. So in the next batch, it'll likely be a price increase, but the quality of the work's still going to be there. So I hope you guys understand, and I appreciate your time watching the video. If you have questions, please reach out. We try and get back to you as quickly as possible, but obviously it's just my wife and I. So appreciate your time. Talk soon. Thanks.